second over. Now we're going to have one of the stars for TKR, Shahid Khan, the young leggy from Pakistan. 2 Man of the Match awards already. In the Hero CPL Season 5 he's on. He needs to come on. Try and hold this run. Yeah, once again, long chat. Brendan McCullum seems to be involved in so much of the tactical thinking on the field for the Knight Riders. 4 for 57, Shahid Khan. In his 12 overs, he had to that, a little 40 not out. Looks like the player of the tournament so far. And this is Robbie Freiling's night so far. He might not want to watch this. Martin Guptill has taken him to the cleaners and then given him the bill. He sure has. A lot of BAT involved in that. Here comes Shutter. And there goes Marty G. Is he out? Oh, yes. Good catch from young Pierre. Just what TKR needed to hold Marty G. Well, is that a Republic Bank classic catch we've seen? Curry Pierre involved in the athletic effort to stop the previous over. From Freiling, this time he's able to cling on, diving forward. Massive wicket. Guptill gone for 24 from 14. It's 40.
But Khan's not too concerned about Rafa's speech at the moment. He's got a job to do. Ooh, short to begin with. He's got quite a bit of it. But not enough. Good catch. Oh, Shahid Khan can't believe it. The Pierre has taken another catch. And a pretty good one at that. Not as good as his first, but just as important.
A Republic Bank classic catch. Harry Pierre is in the mix of things in this particular match. Just waits for it. As well, Jason Mohammed thought he had enough power on this one. He's gone for 13, it's 89 for 4.
Should have done it again. First ball he picked up Guptill. First ball of a new spell. And Jason Mohammed's got to go. Wasn't the best delivery. We've seen him bowl some rippers in the season so far this year, but he picked up yet another one. I love it. Way up in the air from Primus. Who wants it? Pierre's got another one. That's 3 for him. It's another super catch from Republic Bank. Classic catch from Pierre. And his teammates are coming running for all parts of the Queen's Park Oval. This young man has been simply sensational with his hands tonight. On the boundary, taking some great catches. Primus has to go for 23. The 6th one now, down for 131.
Well, the faster delivery doing the trick. And then the outside. Curry Pierre showing what his experience playing at the Oval can do.
Kimo Paul is in, but he's not needed at the moment because Tanvir has picked out Cooper. Shahid Khan strikes again. He now goes to the top of the wicket takers in this year's Hero CPL with 8. This young man is absolute dynamite. He is on a hat trick. 2 from 2 here for the young leggy. And they're loving it. The Red Army. See you later, Sahale. Gone for 11. 131 for 7.
Yeah, wide this time. Had to reach for it. And when you go wide, you don't really have the control and power. Kevin Cooper made it look easy.